Idinaos ng Department of Agriculture, Bureau of Agricultural Research o DABAR ang ika-24 na National Research Symposium o NRS noong ika-17 hanggang ika-18 ng Oktubre taong 2012 upang bigyang diin ang kahalagahan ng sektor ng agrikultura bilang tagapagtaguyod ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas tungo sa kaunlaran. Mula pa noong taong 1989, ang NRS ay isa na sa mga pangunahing aktibidad ng DABAR na idinaraos taon-taon para lalo pang pag-igihin ang palitan ng mga impormasyon at kaalaman sa larangan ng pananaliksik ukol sa pagsasaka at pangisdaan. Layunin din ng NRS na palaganapin at itaas ang kamalayan sa mga bago at matagumpay na teknolohiya na magpapabuti sa sektor ng agrikultura. Ang pambungad na programa at symposium proper ay ginanap noong ika-17 ng Oktubre sa tanggapan ng Bureau of Agricultural Research sa Visayas Avenue, Diliman, Lungsod ng Quezon. Ang direktor ng BAR na si Dr. Nick Eleazar ay naghatid ng kanyang welcome remarks at nagpasalamat ng lubos sa lahat ng mga kasangga at taga-suporta ng kawanihan. Ang National Research Symposium ay nagsisilbing lugar kung saan ang mga pambihirang pagsisikap at gawain ng mga mananaliksik, siyentista at mga miyembro ng National Research and Development System for Agriculture and Fisheries o NARDSAF ay naipapakita at nabibigyan ng kaukulang pagkilala. Pinagkalooban ni Director Eleazar at BAR Assistant Director Dr. Ted Salsaloy ng Citation Awards ang lahat ng mga kalahok na mga mananaliksik at siyentista na nagsumite ng kani-kanilang research and development paper para sa AFMA Best R&D Paper and Poster Competition. Mula sa 126 na entries noong nakaraang taon, ang NRS sa taong ito ay nakatanggap ng kabuuang 140 mga entries. Ang opening program ay sinundan ng presentasyon ng mga research papers sa harap ng kalipunan ng mga manunuri at mga panauhin. Ang paligsahan ay may mga kategoryang Basic Research, Applied Research for Technology Generation, Information Generation, Applied Research for Technology Adaptation, Technology Verification, Socio-Economics Research, and Development Research.
Basic research is actually upstream research. No? These are laboratory research. You discover new knowledge, and these are being conducted by national research centers or institutes. Like for DA, we have national research centers under BPI, Bureau of Plant Industry, the Bureau of Animal Industry, and then of course state universities and colleges. For this year, we received 6 entries. Last year was 12. And then followed by applied research. Actually, this is the concern of the Bureau. Applied research, we categorize it into 2, midstream and downstream research. Midstream research, you do it in on-station, under controlled environment. And then downstream is, we do it on-farm, in farmers' field. We verify the technologies. Under applied research, we still have different field of specialization like crop science, crop protection, animal science, soils and water science, engineering, and post-harvest. Even for fisheries, we also have applied research. We also screen research on socioeconomics. So it's not only technical research but also policy research. So this year we received 25. These are type impact evaluation studies, benchmarking, and then development. This is very important for agriculture and fisheries. This is actually an additional category to give awards to DA researchers. Kasi yung mga nakaraan, mostly ang pumapasok are researchers and scientists from the academy, from the universities. And DA kami, so dapat priority ang DA researchers. We're giving emphasis actually to the programs of the Department of Agriculture. dapat naman yung research, of course, should contribute, no, to the productivity programs of the DA. So, like for example, the food staples self-sufficiency program. So, we check what the commodities, no, it should be in line with the priority commodities of the Department of Agriculture. So, if you'll see the papers, the entries, for example, for high value crops, for livestock, even for grains, no, and then for rice, there are projects that really, like for example, the climate change, adaptation, mitigation, research type of project. These are projects not only funded by BAR, but also funded by other research institutions in the Philippines, including foreign-funded projects. We're happy with Secretary Alcala because in 2011 and 2010 and 2011 there was a significant increase in the budget of not only BAR for R&D but also for other research implementing units of the Department of Agriculture.